Hi, this is Maria Fernandez, and here I have the lovely CRONEWORT mugwort. She's known by the hairy silver back of her, and she has a distinctive smell. And you can make medicine out of CRONEWORT mugwort. You can make herbal vinegars out of her. You can make teas, sleeping pillows, dream pillows, and you can make crowns out of her and bundles so that you could smudge with. So what I'm gonna do is take a few of her to create a smudge bundle. So I'm just grabbing some of her. See how long she could be. And this is the size that you will use if you want to make a crown. And then you tie it around like so. To make a crown. This is a CRONEWORT crown. So this is what the crown looks like. I have made one, and it's pretty much, you just tie it and put it on, right? So now I have two. So if I wanted to do a goddess, a green goddess crown, and then I could add, you know, flowers, or it could just be green like this and just be in nature, in my beauty. So this is a very, very simple idea. CRONEWORT pretty much grows everywhere, and I just gathered a bunch of CRONEWORT that I'm gonna hang upside down and let it dry so that I could make smudging sticks. So what I will use is what's it called, the thing that wraps around. So I could put them into little bundles, and then I will have some herbs to smudge my house and my space with, and that way we don't use the endangered white sage. There's other plant materials that could be used for smudging. Mugwort is an invasive, so it's better to use plants that are invasive because they're so abundant. Well, this is Maria Fernandez. Check out my crown with the lovely CRONEWORT. CRONEWORT opens up your third eye. It gives you lucid dreaming. CRONEWORT, it's beautiful for women, for our, you know, reproductive system, for cramping, and it's just a beautiful herbal ally. Try it. Thank you for watching. My name is Maria Fernandez. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and please let me know any suggestions that you may have for me as videos that you would like to know more about. Happy, blissful day. Bye-bye.